So we used to use the old Delta 3000 defibrillator analyzers by NETECH, and it used to produce a shockable VTach rhythm whenever we hooked it up over here to a ZOLL defibrillator. Well, we upgraded over here to the Delta 3300 model, and we noticed that whenever we were simulating VTach, it would produce a non-shockable rhythm. And we just couldn't seem to wrap our head around it, because you would think that the 3000 and the 3300 would be designed the same on a VTach simulation, but it is not. So you're not able to adjust the output on the 3300, so you're just kind of stuck with whatever that VTach simulation is. So what I want to do is I'm going to hook up the pads over to the defib machine. I'm going to show you how it goes between adult and pediatric mode, and that's based on a resistor, by the way, which is a different circuit. And we're going to hook up the new 3300 model. We're going to simulate a VTach over to the analyzer, and we're going to look at that QRS and see why exactly it is not a shockable rhythm in this particular scenario. So if you've ran into this and hadn't been able to get answers, we were finally able to get some answers from ZOLL today. It took a long time, but they were the ones that finally helped us narrow down why this NETECH machine was different. Internal to the defibrillator, there is a circuit that looks for a resistor value. There's a specific resistor range that's coded for pediatrics and another range that's coded for adults. The resistor's built into the pads, so whenever you hook them up to the defibrillator, that is what determines the mode that the unit will be put in, pediatric or adult.
Check pads.
According to ZOLL's defib algorithm, a wide complex VTach is considered shockable if the heart rate meets a certain threshold. In adult mode, it has to be more than 150 beats per minute. In pediatric mode, it has to be more than 200 beats per minute. In our case, the simulator simulates pediatric mode with a wide complex, but only 172 beats per minute.
Stand clear.
It does not meet the 200 beats or more that's required to give a shock advised.
No shock advised. Perform CPR.
My name is Michelle, and I'm a biomedical technician here in the state of Alaska. I travel to remote Alaskan villages to maintain the medical equipment at the health clinics. The purpose of this content is to show you some of the unique challenges we face in getting to the clinics, along with some of the medical equipment that we maintain as well. If you like this content, please hit that subscribe button.
Maybe I should go up, I don't know. Gotta make me look slim. I ain't no Slim Jim anymore. Gotta finagle the camera. Okay, mo better.